right? I think we're gonna fake breakout here, potentially.
Fake break.
I think we're gonna fake break. I think we're gonna fake break. It's breaking right now, right?
Yeah. Well, I need a candle closure. Let's see.
It did close above it.
Oh, it did. So are you aiming for liquidity? Like, is it going to take it in each area? Is that what you're doing?
I think like usually with pennants I see, depending on where we are in the day. Um, sometimes if fake breaks out and it goes all the way the opposite way.
You know what? I just realized we were in the macro time frame. Macros are always the 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after. There's a whole bunch of fair value gaps in the 5-second.
15 seconds maybe? Oh, there's a 15 seconds inversion right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no entry. I mean, that's crazy, but that's 15-second inversion right here.
Oh, okay. That's potential.
Right? Sweep, inverse fair value gap, look targets after a manipulation. Maybe.
All right. Let's see if it goes back in. It loves this trend line.
That trend line's holding. Since that inversion right here, inverse, damn. Look at that. It's pretty cool. What is this? I don't even know.
This is stay out. This thing is like back and forth.
Netflix is ripping crazy right now. This is crazy. Netflix has went up $7 in the last couple of minutes.
Jesus.
Meta's up like almost $16. Oh my gosh. Bank of Chase is up $7 today. Yeah, everything's green.
Friday's usually that trending day.
So this inversion may not hold. I just want price to go somewhere. Like, look at this. It's sideways, right? Sideways. This is 15 seconds. I'm trying to find one good entry.
You know what it's doing? It's forming like another bull flag.
Damn, that was crazy.
Yo, you called it. You called it. You my nigga.
That's crazy.
I can't play this at all. This is too much for me.
Yeah, this is too crazy.
Mm-mm. I'm in a PA account too. Ain't no time to be messing around.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this 100K account. I'm gonna have to go heavy tomorrow. Or no, Monday.
It's okay. Give it to me. Trade it for me.
I just don't. I just kind of ruins my system. Yeah, versus one too. Bearish. Really? Yeah. Oh, what do we want to do with this? Go short. It happens every time with Pennants, I'm telling you. If fake breaks out and it goes the opposite way.
Yo, screenshot this shit so you
It's
can put
being
it in.
recorded. It's being recorded.
Oh, you are okay. Good, 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 good.
Yeah, yeah. It happens. I freaking called that shit.
You called it.
Generates liquidity. But like, look at now though. Remember I mentioned how when price
Oh,
gets out of this, it moves a lot faster. And
yeah.
it's moving a lot faster now, which is good. We like faster price action.
So
It's
there.
actually good.
So we were. Let's see. So this was the sweep to go.
This fake breakout, and then now we inverted this fair value gap, even though this was a little shady. They did have a sweep
Mm,
right here.
yep.
And now we're respecting every single bearish fair value gap now. And we're targeting liquidity, potential liquidity down there.
Beautiful BW.
I just wish I took it.
Oh, we didn't know. It's like it was weird. You saw how weird
Yeah, it
this
was
pattern
weird. It was
was?
super weird.
Then you got Netflix, everybody else going crazy. Like,
Yeah, everything's going great. But like Netflix shouldn't be up $25 to end the day. Does that make sense? The average true range is like probably like $10. So maybe at the end of the day, Netflix will be $10, which means what? We pulled back. That's why I don't like playing Pennant's breakouts, only bull flag breakouts, because bull flag breakouts had a sweep at the bottom. Pennant breakouts has no sweep on the bottom. So we sweep the top and we go sweep the bottom. That was crazy move. We should have shorted that. Yeah, this one too. Take this one off. I just feel bad for just not taking it.
but this is good. This is a good lesson for us. So
Yeah, that's true.
it's a good lesson for us. Because I guess look at all that manipulation. How much were we really willing to risk? I guess let's measure that. Like, was I really trying to waste all that money in case if I was wrong? Oh, I guess it wasn't too bad. 100 ticks.
Yeah, because this sweep right here, we could have entered like right here though, and we would have stop loss would have been up here 66. So we entered around here 57, about 11 point stop loss,
It's not bad.
maybe higher even, like maybe like
Mm.
15 point stop loss. But look at this, we're gonna go get it though. Should we scalp this?
So Macau, when you get that neckline break to the M, you better let me know so I can just hit market. Because when it dumps, it's gonna dump like a.
Where's the M? Where's the anybody see the M?
You see the M over there on the right hand side? Do you see it? Like you can tell. You can see what I'm talking about, right?
This high,
No,
this
on
low.
the right. Oh, sorry, on the right hand side. You see your overall M pattern on MES, on our ES.
Oh, right here.
You see how so see like that big long pole. You bull flagged. You did a little quick manipulation, and now you're gonna go back down to fill all the fair value gaps on the left of the M. That's
Yeah.
so my neckline is that tweezer bottom on the right hand side.
Could this be another short right here? No, another short right here. This
Oh,
one,
guess what? You just made a swing low. So now if you fib the recent swing high to low,
discount
let's get yeah, exactly. Let's get the fib.
right there. Discount for shorts.
Oh, I was
That's
actually gonna go
big
higher. Let me see. Maybe that is it. I don't know. I was going to that recent swing high, like the big one.
That's discount for shorts.
I could have taken it. Damn,
Oh,
that was it. Oh my gosh, dude. You were just calling out bangers, BW, like left and right.
oh
Oh
my
my
God.
oh
That was
Jesus.
discount for shorts. I'm just late. I'm just reacting late right now.
And it hit your 618. Perfect. Look at that evening star. But we're on the 15 second. Like this is crazy.
Salty. Salty. Well, that pullback right there was that's why we want to look for shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Bullish. When price is bullish on a downtrend, we're looking for it to invalidate bullish fair value gaps.
Wait, say that one more time. Hold on.
Right here, right? There's a bullish fair value gap right here. We're looking for it to be inverted because we are in a downtrend. And it did get inverted. And we're looking for bearish fair value gaps to be respected, like this one right here.
So if you're in a downtrend, you want your bearish fair value gaps to be respected. But if you're in an uptrend, you want them to be inverted.
Yeah, like see, bearish fair value gap. So maybe it comes down right now.
So imagine if we did this, we'd be in and out like that's not
Well, we would have targeted this one. No, yeah, see, it didn't hit zero again. It's supposed to hit zero. Oh, there it is.
oh, is this a retest? My goodness.
It's supposed to hit zero if it's efficient. So we get the retest for your entry. That's why you don't put your stop loss so close, right? You have your stop loss up here. So let's just pretend we're in this trade. Our stop loss would be above here.
Mm-hmm.
And we stay in it until it hits zero. And it just did. See?
Oh my gosh. Yo, you just calling out bangers today, left and right.
That's why you don't suffocate your stop loss. We stay until hit zero. So that was perfect. And let's say if we are continuing down, this is the next target right here. And then like that fair value gap down here. But zero was already hit. You see that? And the zero, why I say zero is because that makes it a sweep. But still, I don't love this though, right? I don't love it. But that was perfect. Gave us two opportunities, right? The inverse fair value gap here sweep. Respected this fair value gap, 3, I guess, and then came down here, rebalanced the equilibrium into a bearish fair value gap, took you to 0. And that would have been the target. So
And real quick, you're just measuring that range from the swing, the near swing high to swing low.
yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. Because we we're just breaking structure here. So we made our leg down and then we established that this was a low. So when we came up here, I could take this high from this breaker structure to this swing low. We rebalanced to 50%, which we want to look for a trade. If there was a fair value gap here, you would want to enter. And then we came back, tapped the fair value up again, down. That's crazy. And I think we got to end up taking this out because this one needs to rebalance to this fair value gap right here on the 15 minutes. That would be healthy. A lot of whipsaw action though. But so sometimes you know where price is going to go, but it just doesn't go there in a straight line. Fair value gap right here, bearish fair value gap.
That's why they say patience pays.
Right here, bearish fair value gap. So it's respecting, as you can see, it's respecting on the bearish fair value gaps for now until this one gets ripped through. This one gets ripped through. But right now it's still respecting it. As long as the bodies are below, closing below it. Except for this one. This one's a little bit ugly. But I respected it, even though people have their stop loss here, right? It's taking people out of their contracts because people know it should come here, but they keep dragging their stop loss getting triggered. So a fake breakout on pennants. If you guys ever see a pennant and we see a trend line break, don't buy it. Expect it to pull back and go the opposite way. This is crazy price. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is like a waste of time. This is like a heart attack. You know, like one of those EKG, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
But hey, it ended up working out though.
Oh no, you called it. You said exactly the whole pennant thing. I didn't realize that was happening with pennants, and I wrote that thing down.
Yeah, no, yeah. Pennants
Pennants generate liquidity.
is just generating liquidity.
And it'll pretend like, and you said it'll pretend it's going to break out, have people go long, and then come back into it and just dump. You said it. You said it.
Boom. Target hit. You look left because all the other targets hit. Basically all hit, right?
Is there, well, you said that it's both higher lows and lower highs from both
Yeah.
sides. So it's like it's in a channel. Okay. I'll try
Oh.
zooming out to see it.
Yeah, so if I have a bull flag, I love bull flags because we have a lower low, lower low, and then we sweep, right? That's a bull flag. Composition of bull flag. Trend line, channel, right? But what happens at the bottom of the channel? There's a sweep. Okay.
Okay.
Bear flag, same thing. Bull
Yeah.
flag, bear flag. So at the bottom of every bull flag, there's always a lower low, lower high. I love a lower low because we don't need to go any lower anymore because we swept. And usually bull flags too is that when you get a breakout, there's a break of structure over here. So there's some type of fair value gap right here. And then there's some type of discount right here. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is A plus setup for longs, A plus setup for shorts. And pennants suck because I need to go to the dentist. We go up, we go like this. So where's the sweep?
Yeah. So it's like we went while we're trading that we don't know where price is gonna go.
Lower highs, higher lows.
Okay.
So there's no sweep. That's why a lot of times I say that when I notice this, people think that this is a breakout, but in reality it does this.
Gotcha.
Because we need a sweep in order to change direction.
Oh, and the sweep occurs out there. Okay, cool. Okay.
And that just happened right here. Pennant. Sweep. So if I were to make this tooth. Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside, lower highs, higher lows. Right. Higher lows right here. Higher lows. And then we finally broke out of this trend line. And then we swept here. And then we came down, we swept down there.
Okay.
That's why I don't like Pennants, because that means you cannot trade anything here unless you go
Mhm.
for internal highs. Like my target here is only here, but you don't want to target. You think we're gonna go all the way up here, right?
Yeah, you think so, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's efficient price action. This is inefficient price action. This is only internal range. So
I'm gonna probably backtest this, but now I actually know how to trade a Pennant.
yeah, anytime you see higher lows and lower highs, just sit
Mhm.
back and just like, all right, I'm gonna let this play out. But yeah, just everything that we said was gonna happen happened. But I didn't
Just
like
timing,
any
right?
of it. So, and to put you guys through any of these trades too, if I were to enter here inside here, you guys would be whipsawed, and especially since I know some of you guys would buy like minis. That's gonna be crazy, yeah. So
Honestly, I don't know about everyone else, but for me, like the lessons are more valuable than even, trading, because then I can do it on my own. So yeah.
yeah, and
Facts.
you start seeing it, and then and you might realize that it works with your strategy, or you don't even need somebody to call anything out. Or when you
Mhm.
guys do your group trading again, maybe you guys will recognize some things. Like, oh, did you see a sweep here? No, okay, then we'll wait.
Sure.
Thank you
Alright.
for this.
Hey, it
Yeah.
is so nice to put a face to the name, man. By
Right,
the
right,
way.
right.
Thanks,
Yeah.
thanks. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Maybe I'll have the camera on more often.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool, man.
Yeah, you a chill dude, BW.
Thanks. Thanks.
Nice to see you.
All right, guys. Well, I'll put this recording up and I'll put it in the Discord. But thanks for hopping on with me today.
All right, y'all have a good weekend.
All right.